Today, I want to share a simple but powerful idea that can significantly speed up training in remote viewing, both for humans and for AI. Most people train remote viewing in a very straightforward way. They just do session after session after session. And yes, that works, but it's slow. It's like trying to improve in a sport by only playing full matches every day without ever practicing specific skills. There's a better way. Every remote viewing session is not one thing. It's actually a combination of different elements. For example, location, structures, people, movement, activity, natural features, and man-made objects. All of these come together to form a complete target. But here's the problem. When you do a session, you often don't capture everything clearly. You might pick up the location very well, like a mountain, but completely miss the activity. Or you might sense movement but misinterpret the structure. So instead of training everything at once, we can break it down. The key idea is to divide both targets and sessions into two levels: short sessions and long sessions. Short sessions are focused on just one element. For example, only location, or only activity, or only shape. You're not trying to describe the whole scene. You're zooming in on a single aspect and training that specifically.
Long sessions, on the other hand, are full sessions, complex targets with multiple elements, like people moving through a city or a boat traveling down a river. Now here's where it gets interesting. You train using a 10-to-1 ratio. That means you do 10 short sessions focused on one specific element, and then one long session to test your progress. To make this clear, you organize your targets into separate pools, such as locations, activities, or events. If you want to train location, you draw targets only from the location pool. If you want to train activity, you draw from the activity pool. You take simple targets, like a mountain, a road, a city, or a river. You randomly select one and describe only the location, nothing else. No people, no activity, no guessing, just the raw perception of the place. Then you repeat this 10 times. After that, you do one full session with a complex target. And now you check, did your sense of location improve? Is it clearer, more stable, more precise? Then you repeat the cycle. The structure of a short session is also very simple. You start with 3 quick touches of the field, just brief contact. Then you write down what you perceive, without interpretation. After that, you create 3 vectors, looking at the target from different perspectives, distances, or directions. And finally, you make a simple sketch. That's it. Fast, clean, repeatable. Long sessions are different. They follow a full protocol, like CRV, SRV, or a resonant contact protocol. They take longer, maybe around an hour, and they're used to test how well everything comes together. And this approach works for a very simple reason. It's exactly how training works in almost every skill. If you look at sports, nobody trains by just playing full matches all the time. Instead, they practice specific elements: shooting, passing, positioning. Then they bring it all together in a game. Remote viewing is no different. If you train individual components separately, your perception becomes sharper. And when you return to full sessions, everything starts to align more naturally. You begin to recognize patterns faster, you make fewer errors, and your sessions become more consistent. So instead of doing endless full sessions, try this. Break your training into focused short sessions. Train one element at a time. Do it repeatedly. Then test yourself with a full session. Simple structure, clear focus, faster progress. If you apply this consistently, you'll notice the difference much sooner than you expect.